Hello everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I am going to show you how to make apple butter chutney. To make apple butter chutney, I'm going to use apple butter. I use apple butter chutney in a substitute of tamarind chutney if I don't have it at home, and this is super quick to make. In a bowl, I'm going to take half cup of apple butter. I use apple butter chutney in a lot of the chaat dishes I make at home. Do check out my cilantro chutney video as well. The link is in the description box. Both of these chutney recipes are important if you're making any chaat dishes at home. Into this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or you can adjust that according to your taste. Now I do like to add a little bit of red chili powder, so I'm using just 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, or this is totally optional, you can avoid that as well. Add just a splash of water at a time and mix it well until you reach the desired consistency of this apple butter chutney. If you have not watched my chickpea potato wrap video, the link is in the description box. I have used cilantro chutney and this apple butter chutney in chickpea potato wrap. The link is in the description box, so do check out that video as well. And for the new viewers, do check out the other recipes on my channel and don't forget to hit subscribe button down below. In total, I used 1/8 cup of water. This is the perfect consistency of apple butter chutney I used in all of my chaat dishes. Hope you like this chutney recipe and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.